Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Klipsch ProMedia 2.0 computer speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case these speakers are not connecting with Bluetooth, or they're not pairing or not syncing with your phone or your computer or other device, or they're not responding. Anything like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to clear the pairing history, delete all the settings so that you can set these speakers up basically like they're brand new coming out of the box. We can do this really easily. You're going to want to go ahead and delete them off of whatever they've been paired with in the past, because we're going to be starting fresh once we actually reset the speakers. And then once we do that, with our speakers on, we're just going to come in, we're going to find this knob over on the right here. We're just going to press and hold it for 10 seconds until the LED begins to flash quickly, that's on the front begins to flash quickly. Once that happens, we can let go, and then the source LED will be solid green once the reset has been successful. That's how you'll know that it's been successfully reset, at which point you can go ahead and just set these speakers up as a brand new set of speakers.